Hello guys, good evening, welcome to my vlog. How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. And I hope everybody is okay. No sickness, no problem out of danger. I just want to say have a good night sleep everyone. And see you tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep early because I have training tomorrow. 12 hours training straight. Morning till night. Anyway, this coming September I have a leave. 1 month leave. But I won't go home to Philippines for vacation because I don't have budget for vacation. And instead of staying at home doing nothing, I sign up for 300 hours training so that I can have additional skills and additional opportunity and to help me level up my career. I hope and pray that what I can learn in the training is I can apply it into my career. And what I need with that training is the international certificate also, because I'm planning to apply work in the other country. If it's God's will, it will gonna happen. I believe in God's will. If it's part of God's plan into my life, it will gonna happen. Good night guys, bye bye, see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow evening because I'm gonna leave early. My training is start at early 8 in the morning and I'm gonna travel from here going there, and I'm gonna finish 8 in the evening. Maybe I'm gonna eat outside. Bye guys, I love you all. Good night, bye bye everyone.